Hey guys, Rajan welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a gaming and editing budget laptop for around 50 to 65k in the offline and online market, which you can purchase in 2021. This is the Acer Nitro 5 series. Model number is AN5-15-54-59J9. Links will be provided down in the description. Let's unbox it. The packaging is really good. There are some manuals over here. Let's keep it aside. Let's get the product out. Now let's power on the product. This is an Intel i5 9th generation 9300H. It's a 4.1 GHz processor. It's coming with a graphic card from NVIDIA Gtx1650. It's having 4GB GDDR5. GDDR5 means Graphic Double Data Rate 5. Now the Gtx1650 is much better than the Gtx1050 as it boots up 8 to 10 seconds earlier. Now it's having an 8GB RAM DDRM4 where you can also extend it up to 32 gigs in the future. There is a 1TB hard drive and a 256 SSD where the 1TB hard drive has an interface of an 8800 at a rate of 7200 RPM. That means the speed at which it stores. And you get also to extend 2 SSD slots in it. It's having a display of 39.62 centimeters, that's around 15.59 inches, and the display is an IPS display, so you can view at any angle from around 120 degrees to 180 degrees. It's having a 60 Hz monitor, and you can also overclock it to around 90 Hz. The battery is around 55 watts lithium battery, and it takes 1 hour 40 minutes to get it full charge. After charging it, it will work for around 5 to 6 hours. And again back plug it to charge it. It's having Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 6. The number of ports over here are 4. There are 3 3.0 ports and 1 2.0. There's also an HDMI port given here with an audio jack and an Ethernet port. It's having mechanical switches on the keyboard with a backlight. Now, the software over here, the Nitrosense, is a place where you can see the GPU and CPU usage. Even you can change it by performing different softwares and games like max while gaming and custom when you're editing and many more, where there's also a cool boost system where the fan speed goes up to a level for max cooling performance. You can even see the temperature over here in Celsius. If you want me to make a video about how much FPS or GPU usage it takes while gaming, mention below the games over here in the comment section and hit a like too, where in the box you can get a manual and some stickers here. But if you go on this website and click the code over here or type it down, you may get a discount on few games, and even there are some games to download. So thank you so much for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment below. Thank you.